And you're just going to tap, preferably to the rhythm of YYZ. Okay, let's give them a quick and dirty paint job. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean them off with some brake clean. This can is almost empty. This can is empty. I'm going to clean both sides, but what I did to prep these was I scraped off the rust, but I power washed them. Like, I destroyed them with the power washer. It scraped everything off. Just flip these around. Let them dry. But let's show you what we're going to paint them with. Yes. The legendary truck bed. Okay, I'll bring you back when this thing's all shook up. Whoa. Okay, before I start getting a lot of hate mail, truck bed is only on the inside. It's weird, it's only working upside down. Oh well. Okay, let it dry, spin it around, and do the official coloring on the other side. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I think you're gonna agree. Look on the inside of your legs. What do you see? Probably nothing. Probably black. So, this works wonderfully. Yes, they're the same legs. Okay, the only thing we're going to do to prep them, we're going to use this Krylon Dual Super Bond. It's dark bronze hammered. We're just going to clean up any areas that I don't think we're going to even do that. We're just going to start hammering on it with this stuff. Get it, hammer on. All right, you know what? Okay, let me do one leg. And then I'm going to put you guys down and concentrate on the rest because I can't spray paint. I don't know how many times I've said that on the channel. Okay, ready? It's kind of windy. Oh yeah, it's more than kind of windy, it's windy. Oh well, let's go for it. dry. Just do the bottoms here. When dry, then I'll hit them with a second coat.